Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to another plan with me in my Hobo Weeks. I did one of these videos a couple of days ago showing our new kits, and I got some of your feedback, and I've gone in and I've updated them a little bit. So the number one thing was that there were too many boxes, so I went ahead and got rid of that row of boxes that ran all the way down the side, and instead went ahead and inserted a bunch of just various icons. I also did make these a little bit bigger, these dot checklist, and then added in a few more of these little swooshy lines, made them a little bit larger. And then there is just the one script now. I felt like it's just really small, so I wanted to make that a little bit larger as well. I felt like I had kind of a hard time seeing it. I have got 10 of these designs finished. They are up on the website now, but on Friday we are part of the Ultimate Planner sale, so they will be 30% off starting on Friday, but they are up on the website now if you'd like to see the different designs. But yeah, so that is what happened with the update on this kit. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know how you feel about it, if you still think that it's missing something. I do know a lot of people wanted the strips to separate the days. However, I could not fit those on this sheet, and I really wanted to keep these just to one page. It's possible that in the future I could do like an add-on page that had some extra things, but for right now I want to keep them to one sheet. Anyway, I am going to be planning for this week. I have got a couple of things written down where I was doing measurements for this planner. However, I'm going to be covering them, so I think it'll be okay. I am not going to talk through this one this time. I'm just going to put some music on for you guys and speed you guys on through. But yeah, so I hope you guys love how these kits turned out, and let's get to planning.